This is Donna Marr at FADEL, and the following quick tip video will show you how to share all agreements between business units in Rights Cloud. If you haven't already, then I suggest viewing the quick tip video about business units. That tutorial will give you an overview of the business unit functionality in full. Additionally, there is a video available on how to share agreements individually across business units. I want to emphasize that this video will show you an all or nothing approach for sharing agreements across business units. From the Rights Cloud dashboard, go to Administration, Security, Tenant Profile. As a reminder, you will need administrative user rights in order to access this area. Select the Business Units tab on the top right. Next, select the business unit that will be considered the source of agreements by clicking on the name link. In other words, this is the business unit that currently contains agreements that you want to share in full with another business unit. I am now in the Edit Business Unit window. It is important to check first that the business unit has shared rights definitions with the business unit that you want to share agreements with. In this video example, I want to share agreements with Video BU3. In the default rights setup, I can verify that I have shared rights. The business unit full functionality video recommended earlier goes into detail about how to share rights. Still in the Edit Business Unit window, I move to the default agreement sharing option. This is where I will select all existing and future agreements from this source business unit to be shared with another business unit. To share, select from the available business units in the drop-down. Remember, only the business units that you have shared rights definitions with will show here. It is possible to share agreements with multiple business units, and once all drop-down selections are made, click OK. This will bring you back to the Tenant Profile Business Unit tab. You must select Save on this screen for the business unit share of agreements to take effect. Here I have logged into the business unit Video BU3 that was selected for agreement sharing. I go to Advanced Search, Include Share Agreements, and Search. I now see the agreements from the source business unit that have been shared. These agreements are read-only and edits can only be made in the source business unit. Additionally, in the Parties and Projects screens, when Advanced Search Include Shared is selected, read-only views of records tied to the source business unit will show. Something also to note is that besides the shared read-only data records in Parties, Projects, and Agreements, you are able to create new unshared data records exclusive to the business unit. Both shared agreements and unshared agreements will be available in the business unit for asset attachment. A final item is that you can unshare agreements from a business unit. Go back into the source business unit and select Edit. In the default agreement sharing, deselect the shared business unit and click OK. You will receive a confirmation request to proceed. Select Yes. Once you select Save, the unshare will be complete. This unshare can only be completed if there are no assets attached to any shared agreements in that business unit. There is an option to individually unshare agreements, and as mentioned prior, there is a video available on how to do that. Thank you for watching this video, and I suggest that you subscribe to this channel to be notified when new videos are released. I also look forward to your comments about how this Share All agreement functionality has helped you.